Welcome to Creative Design Ideas, where imagination meets luxury. In today's project, we're exploring the art of perfume packaging design, a blend of emotion, elegance, and edge. Every fragrance tells a story, and every bottle, every box becomes part of that emotion. We'll start by building a brand story concept that connects modern sophistication with bold individuality, then bring it to life through AI-generated visuals, refined logo styles, and color palettes that capture the essence of luxury. From name creation to packaging presentation, this is the full creative journey of transforming a scent into a visual masterpiece. Designed and created by Creative Design Ideas. Like, share, and subscribe for more packaging and design ideas. All packaging images and names used in this design are generated by AI. If this design resembles any existing brand, artwork, or product, it is purely coincidental. These visuals are created solely for creative presentation and concept demonstration purposes. Emotion Amplified is a modern luxury perfume brand that transforms feelings into fragrance. Designed for those who live intensely and express fearlessly, each scent represents a unique emotion: love, power, confidence, or rebellion. The collections include Absolute Plus Plus, Adore, EX Squared, EX Square, Z Squared, Z Square, EX Club, and Vibe X, each telling a distinct story. Bold minimalism meets sensual elegance through clean typography, matte textures, and metallic accents. The color palette, black and gold, blush and rose gold, chrome silver, reflects layered emotions, sophistication, and individuality under one unified creative identity. Abogia, specialty, modern, geometric sans serif. Use, perfect for edgy, bold brand names like EX Squared or Z Squared, adds contemporary minimalism. Bitho, specialty, elegant, rounded serif. Use, ideal for romantic or soft collections like Adore, conveys warmth and sophistication. Choga, specialty, handcrafted artistic script. Use, great for signature style logos or fragrance names, adds a personal, luxurious feel. Khalib, specialty, sharp, stylish sans serif with modern flair. Use, works for nightlife or high-energy collections like EX Club. 1. Absolute Plus, concept, add more to you. Story, for those who never settle. Each spritz adds an extra dimension of charm, depth, confidence. Style, bold, geometric logo with plus as signature mark, like a cross between tech and luxury. Color code, black, metallic silver, deep red accent. Vibe, unisex, energetic, performance-driven perfume line. 2. Adore, concept, fall in love, again. Story, inspired by the power of love, not just romantic, but self-love and moments that make your heart swell. Style, elegant cursive or minimal serif font, heart-like O. Color code, blush pink, rose gold, ivory. Vibe, feminine, floral, warm, perfect for gifting and everyday wear. 3. X Square, concept, past, power, present. Story, a bold, mysterious fragrance line celebrating evolution. Who you were, who you became. Style, futuristic monogram EX Squared, clean lines, edgy minimalism. Color code, black, matte gray, electric blue. Vibe, night perfumes, confident, magnetic, unisex. 4Z Square, concept, double the edge. Story, Youthful, rebellious, and cool, for those who make their own rules. Style. Sharp typography with mirrored Z. Feels street luxury. Color code. Jet black, white, neon lime. Vibe. Gen Z focused, casual yet bold. Perfect for day wear. 5. X Club. Concept. The after hours aura. Story. A fragrance for nights that never end. X Club bottles the pulse of music, lights, and confidence. Style. Bold sans serif, neon inspired. Think nightlife meets sophistication. Color code. Midnight blue, violet, chrome. Vibe. Party night perfumes, gender neutral, long lasting. Welcome to Creative Design Ideas. In this tutorial, I'm showing you how to create packaging designs using AI-generated images, including brand names and other details. We'll go through the full process using AI prompts with ChatGPT, and the images are generated with FreePic. Stay tuned to learn step-by-step how you can create your own unique packaging designs from scratch. Let's start designing our perfume bottle packaging in Photoshop. Stay tuned and continue watching to see the complete creative process, from concept to final mock-up. 1. Absolute Plus. Concept. Add more to you. Story. For those who never settle. Each spritz adds an extra dimension of charm, depth, confidence. Style. Bold, geometric logo with plus as signature mark, like a cross between tech and luxury. Color code. Black, metallic silver, deep red accent. Vibe. Unisex, energetic, performance-driven perfume line. Two. Adore. Concept. Fall in love. Again. Story. Inspired by the power of love. Not just romantic, but self-love and moments that make your heart swell. Style. Elegant cursive or minimal serif font. Heart like O. 3. X Square. Concept. Past. Power. Present. Story. A bold, mysterious fragrance line celebrating evolution. Who you were, who you became. Style. Futuristic monogram EX squared. Clean lines, edgy minimalism. For Z Square. Concept. Double the edge. Story. Youthful, rebellious, and cool, for those who make their own rules. Style. Sharp typography with mirrored Z. Feels street luxury. Color code. Jet black, white, neon lime. Vibe. Gen Z focused, casual yet bold. Perfect for day wear. 5. X Club. Concept. The after hours aura. Story. A fragrance for nights that never end. X Club bottles the pulse of music, lights, and confidence. Style. Bold sans serif, neon inspired. Think nightlife meets sophistication. Designed and created by Creative Design Ideas. Like, share, and subscribe for more packaging and design ideas. All packaging images and names used in this design are generated by AI. If this design resembles any existing brand, artwork, or product, it is purely coincidental. These visuals are created solely for creative presentation and concept demonstration purposes. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed learning about AI-generated packaging design ideas and the complete creative process. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Subscribe to Creative Design Ideas for more innovative packaging, branding, and design tutorials. Stay tuned for more step-by-step guides, creative tips, and AI design inspirations. See you in the next video.